To use Apple Pay to send money to a person, you will need to have an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest version of iOS or watchOS. First, make sure you have Apple Cash set up on your device. If you do not have Apple Cash, you can set it up by going to the Wallet app, tapping on the plus sign, and following the prompts to add a debit card. Once you have Apple Cash set up, you can send money to someone using the Messages app. Open the Messages app and start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap on the App Store icon in the message bar and select the Apple Pay icon. Enter the amount you want to send and add an optional message to explain the payment. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the recipient. You will also need to confirm the debit card you want to use to fund the payment. After confirming the payment details, tap the Send button to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive the money in their Apple Cash account, which they can then transfer to their bank account or use to make purchases with Apple Pay. It is essential to note that to receive money with Apple Cash, the recipient must also have an iPhone or Apple Watch with the latest version of iOS or watchOS and have Apple Cash set up. Best practices for using Apple Pay to send money to a person include only sending money to people you know and trust, and being cautious of scams or phishing attempts. Always review the payment details carefully before completing a transaction, and keep your device and Apple Cash account secure with a passcode or Face ID. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Apple Pay to easily and securely send money to friends and family.